Welcome back to my channel. This summer I experimented by making a bunch of 20 or 30 second long videos of places that I visited. I wanted to post those all in one place in one YouTube video, and that's what I'm doing here today. I had mainly posted these on Twitter and Facebook initially, and these are my favorite 10 or 11. So with that, let's take it away. But before we do that, please consider subscribing to my channel. I always welcome new subscribers. When you come to Tokyo, you have to do the Shibuya crossing. Check it out. You can't make the trip to Kamakura without coming to see the big Buddha. Check it out. When you come to Newport and you find a bench like this, you just got to put your feet up, check out the view. Check out the USS Constitution and her annual July 4th turnaround cruise right there. Cove of Dunquit, not too shabby, eh? Stockholm, time lapse, go! How'd that sunset look? I bet it looked pretty cool, huh? Unfortunately, it's raining right now, but check out this view of the Bosphorus from just this morning. Go check that out. Fall in New England is amazing. Now just check this out.
That's good.
It's out of control. It's time to do battle with nature. Still have all my fingers. That means I won the battle. But this is a war. Well, that's it for this video. I want to thank you again for watching. I make regular videos and I always welcome new subscribers. Please consider dropping a comment down below. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, hey, why not hit it twice? But that's it. Thanks again for watching. I will see you again in another video real soon. Take care and bye-bye.